In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add security questions in PayPal. Security questions add an extra layer of protection to your account, and setting them up only takes a minute. I'll walk you through each screen and share a few tips so you choose answers that are secure and easy for you to remember. Start by heading to the PayPal website and signing in to your account. Once you're on your account overview, look toward the top right of the page for the small gear icon. That's your settings. If you're using a phone or a tablet, the icon may be in a menu, but it's the same gear symbol. Click it to open your account settings. If PayPal asks you to confirm your identity along the way, like entering a code sent to your device, go ahead and complete that prompt. It's normal and helps keep your account secure. Inside Settings, find the tab labeled Security. This is where PayPal groups features like two-step verification and password updates. Click Security to open the security options. Scroll until you see the section for security questions. You'll see an option to create or set them up. Click Create to begin. If you've previously set questions, you may see an option to change them here as well. Next, you'll be asked to choose a question from a drop-down and type in your answer. Some accounts will require more than one question, so repeat the process for each question listed. Pick questions where the answers are memorable to you but hard for others to guess. Avoid public details, like your mother's maiden name if it appears on social media, or anything someone could find in public records. Consider using an answer that's meaningful but slightly customized. For example, a phrase you'll remember rather than a simple word. Be consistent with spelling and punctuation. Some systems are sensitive to exact matches, so it's best to enter answers exactly how you want to recall them later. If the Save button is unavailable, double-check that every required field is filled in. When you're satisfied, click Save. You should see a confirmation letting you know your changes were applied. That's it. Your security questions are now active. If you ever need to update them, return to Settings, open the Security tab, and edit your security questions from the same section. I recommend reviewing your security settings periodically to keep everything up to date. Thanks for watching. If this helped, take a moment to secure the rest of your account settings while you're here, and you'll be in great shape.